Thank you for watching another episode of Temu'S Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love make next. We are going to be building this guy, a little tank fella. Looks pretty cute. He's got two forms. He can form with no guns and forms with like these big Gatling guns in the front. Should be a fun build. Next in this series is this guy. So we have built a little walker. This fella. Bam! I do that every time. This fellow. And we built a little flyer. This guy. And now we're going to do a little mini tank. This guy. Alright, let's take a look inside here. I got these from Temu. Very reasonably priced. Unfortunately, I don't see them on the platform anymore, so I'm not sure what happened to them. The little walker was a great build. The flyer, I would have given it about a B+. Has some shortcomings, but otherwise it's fun to build and put together. And yeah, so let's get these guys out. These smaller builds have been essentially two bags. You know, each number has several bags, but I'll expect this to be about the same. Yep, it's numbered bags. Very good. Here is the instruction book. 543 pieces, so it should be a pretty quick build. We got some decals. And the instructions have been fine with these kits. I don't expect this one to be any different. Alright, we'll get this build on camera for you and then be ready to give it a full review. Okay, we got her done. So this is the third of the Future Battleship. Yeah, Future Battleship Star by Keep My Specialty Brick Kits. This was another great build. I would say pretty well on par with a regular Lego build. They are Lego-sized bricks, but they are not Lego bricks themselves. The build went really very well. I was able to use my rebrickable mat to count how many the trank heads were, so I didn't have to do it manually. It was very, very handy. This had stickers, a lot of decals to it. They actually look pretty good on there. I think they dressed the build up quite nicely, and they were pretty easy to apply. This guy does transform a little bit. You can see here, I'll give you a full 360 on him. We'll go ahead and pick him up too, so you can see what the underside looks like. Yeah. But you can transform this guy a little bit. He kind of looks like a crab to me. You pull these out. Lose these little Gatling guns off there. And this kind of closes just like that. And so now you have this little short squat, not sure what you want to call it. Doesn't have much in the way of weapons if you close him up like that, but I guess he's well protected. I will point out too, you can see here, right there, it actually was supposed to be a winch. And it's my fault, I lost the little thread that they gave you to use for the little hook there. I got the hook here somewhere, but I lost the thread to make the winch there. I didn't intend to ever use it, so I didn't really care. I don't think it really adds much to the build to be able to have that little winch there. So I just didn't even bother with it after that. After I lost it, I was like, I don't care. But I really like its little Gatling guns here on the front. They do spin. And yeah, so I had no missing pieces, just the pieces that I lost because I didn't pay attention. They went together very well. Everything stayed together nicely. No glue was required. Could a beginner do enjoy this kit? Absolutely. A beginner could do this kit just fine. I don't think it'd be too challenging. The treads are a little bit tricky just to finally snap them together. What I usually do is I make sure I snap them together over a sprocket, and that holds the one in place while I clip the other one down. That's usually just fine for me. It's got these nice little ropes there. They kind of give you like they give you this kind of hose sort of appearance on the back of this tank. And yeah. Would I do it again? Absolutely, I would do it again. It was a lot of fun. All right, well, thank you so much for watching another episode of Stories Reviews. I hope this helped you decide if you wanted to build your own little tank there. Unfortunately, I haven't seen these on Temu lately. I'm not sure what happened to them, which is a shame because they're such good builds. The only thing I would say that I wish they had better or more of is that there's not really like a bad guy type to fight against these, or good guy, bad guys. If you want to consider these the bad guys, you could or whatever. But there's not really an alternate type of kits made that you could battle them against each other, which I think is a shame. I'll show. It happens to me every time. I do it every time. Here is the little walker version from the same kits. These had things that shot, whereas this is the first one of the kits that didn't have a little shooting gun with it. Oh, damn! In fact, I just shot that one. That might be the last time I see that guy again. Oh, well. Alright, thanks for watching. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. Please click the like button. Please subscribe. We definitely need you. Please consider supporting us on Patreon for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 will be decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.